You cook something proper, something nutritious, and it ends in a row. Refused, pushed away, untouched plate. So next time you make the easier option, and somewhere in that exhausted decision, a pattern begins. Today I'm going to show you why the mealtimes fall apart and how to fix it. When your child refuses a meal, it's rarely because they're being difficult. It's because the food is unfamiliar, they don't know what it is, they've never been involved in choosing it, buying it, or preparing it. So it arrives on a plate in front of them with everyone watching. That's not a meal, that's a performance, and children don't perform well under pressure. So the row erupts, the plate goes untouched, and next time you make the easier option. Not because you've given up, because nobody has shown you a different way through it. Before I go further, the free Steady Words pack is in the description. Calm, clear phrases for exactly these moments. Grab it at the end of the video. You fix mealtimes by bringing your child back into the process. 4 steps. The first one, a book. Borrow one from the library about fruit and vegetables. Sit together and go through it. What do you like? What don't you like? Why haven't you tried yet? No plate, no pressure, just curiosity. Second, the shop. Let your child help with the shopping list. Let them choose items and put them in the trolley. They become part of the decision. Third, the kitchen. Let them wash the fruit and vegetables. Help prepare what's for dinner. Food becomes something they helped create, not something that just appears in front of them. Fourth, introduce new foods gently. Small portions alongside the regular meal, not instead of it. Just present on the table. No pressure to finish it, no pressure to like it. And when they do try it, something new, don't make a big thing of it. No applause, no big reaction. Just carry on as normal. The moment you make it a performance, the pressure returns. Calm, normal, no fuss. That's what makes it sustainable. Mealtimes don't have to be part of the day that everyone dreads. Start small, a book, a shopping list, one new food quietly on the table. No pressure, no performance. Just calm consistency over time. This is the final part of the routine series. Links to parts 1, 2 and 3 are in the description. Watch them in order for the full picture. The Steady Words pack is in the description. It's a free download. New videos every week, and I'll see you in the next one.